Namibia's development as cooperation with Japan and through JICA is truly cemented, and it really dates back even beyond the 20 years. The speaker, yours truly, participated in a 2-month group training course on agricultural cooperatives conducted at the Institute for Development of Agricultural Cooperation in Asia from 7 May 1986 to 5 May 1996. That is some 30 years ago. So, and this program was funded by the government of Japan, organized by JICA under the International Cooperation Program of the government of Japan. And really through that program, the speaker's memories for the people of Japan remain fresh. And the experiences gained had really contributed to reshaping our improved agricultural approaches. Even long before the establishment of JICA's office, there has always been that cooperation. And these are my certificates of attendance. In development cooperation, we count projects that have been implemented and also beneficiaries that have been reached, among many impacts. Through JICA's cooperation, as has been highlighted, Namibia benefited through the cooperation and support in the areas such as technical assistance to improve competitiveness and infrastructure planning, support toward agricultural productivity and community empowerment, many training programs aimed to improve performance, importantly, skills education, which really includes support to schools, teacher development, vocational training, and scholarships, and technical and financial assistance in policy formulations across many government offices. Japan's contribution to different sectors to date amounts to over 80 billion Namibian dollars. And of this, over close to half, which is 47 billion, is in grants and development assistance. So that accounts almost to 1 year of Namibia's budget. It's almost the same size. So over the years, Japan could have come and funded our operations. We really remain grateful. Through the implementation of the